So when it comes to bathrooms, or really in showers, okay? So we're talking specifically in showers, and homeowners want about to open that window. You can either do a slider window or an awning. So sliders might not fit with the rest of the look and feel of the home. Can't get as much airflow when you open a slider. So it's very common for homeowners to put an awning window in a bathroom shower. The other thing is, it's almost more important, is what is the technology you're using? So I would argue, if you're gonna put any window, whether slider, awning, picture inside of a shower, or like, I think you really want to use a fiberglass technology, because it's not going to rot, it's going to hold up against water, it's going to resist. Wood's a bad idea, and even vinyl, long-term, like fiberglass is a better technology, it's going to hold up longer. And so whether you do an awning or a slider window in a shower, we would highly recommend you do a fiberglass technology there. If you do a window in a shower or any bathroom, we could basically get obscure glass, so it lets light through, but it's opaque, and then you can't see really outside and people can't see in. So that's pretty common for bathroom windows. We're doing a house right now in Mission Kansas for the homeowners. It's a double hung, and she's just gonna put like curtains. So you could always do that too, but if you don't wanna deal with that, if you don't like the look of that, we could just have the window frosted. And then that way you don't actually see, no one could look in, no one could look out. It lets light in, but no one from outside could look in and see you in your bathroom. There are manufacturers that do make tinted windows. It's fairly rare because it's expensive, and then long-term that tinting can fade, and so you have a maintenance issue. But you can certainly look at tinting options as well if you want a bronze or something else tinted. Most people just choose to do like a frosted look in a bathroom. That way, it lets light in, but people can't see you, and you don't have to worry about long-term about like the tinting fading or not looking as good either.